Imagine a world where architectural marvels soar higher, wider, and more fantastic than anything we've seen before. Welcome to the realm of futuristic megastructures. These titanic structures, born from the audacious dreams of visionary architects, showcase innovation at its peak. They blend functionality with aesthetics, pushing the boundaries of design, technology, and imagination. From energy-efficient skyscrapers to self-sustaining underwater habitats, these megastructures are a testament to human ingenuity. Join us as we journey through the top 10 mind-blowing futuristic megastructures that could redefine our world. Starting our countdown, at number 10 we have the mesmerizing Bionic Tower. This colossal vertical city, envisioned to stand tall in Shanghai, is all about sustainability and high-density living. With its own ecosystem, the Bionic Tower aims to reduce urban sprawl and promote a more sustainable way of living. Moving on to number 9, we find the innovative Exceed 4000, a concept for a self-contained city in Tokyo. Towering at a staggering 4,000 meters, the Exceed 4000 isn't just about height, it's about creating a self-sustaining environment for 1 million inhabitants, complete with artificial weather systems. Talk about building the future! At number 8 we have the Sky Mile Tower in Tokyo. This one takes green living to new heights, literally. The Sky Mile Tower is designed to harvest and reuse rainwater, while its unique design promotes natural ventilation, reducing the need for air conditioning. Number 7 introduces us to the Shimizu Mega City Pyramid, also in Tokyo. This pyramid isn't like the ones you're thinking of, it's a vision for a floating city, built over water. The Mega City Pyramid is designed to counter Tokyo's land shortage problem. It's not just a building, but a whole city, with room for 1 million residents and an infrastructure that includes offices, shopping malls, and parks. At number 6 we have the Dynamic Tower in Dubai. This is a building that truly dances to the tune of the future. Each floor in the Dynamic Tower rotates independently, giving residents a constantly changing view. It's a new spin on architecture, literally. These amazing megastructures are just the tip of the iceberg. Stay tuned as we reveal the top 5. Continuing our journey, at number 5, we have the Cloud City. This floating metropolis, suspended in the sky, represents a future where we've conquered the heavens. From its zero-emission energy systems to its breathtaking panoramic views, the Cloud City is a true epitome of futuristic living. Coming in at number 4 is the Ocean Spiral, an underwater utopia designed for harmony with the sea. This submerged city encapsulates a vision of coexisting with marine life, harnessing the ocean's bounty while preserving its delicate ecosystem. Its most innovative feature is its ability to generate power from the sea's thermal energy, a truly groundbreaking concept. At the 3rd spot we find the Vertical Farm. With the ever-increasing global population, this megastructure offers a sustainable solution to food production. Imagine skyscrapers filled with greenery, producing fresh organic produce right in the heart of bustling cities. The Vertical Farm is not just an architectural marvel, but a beacon of hope for a world grappling with food scarcity. The runner-up on our list is the Fusion City. This megastructure is a testament to our quest for clean, sustainable energy. Fusion City is designed around a nuclear fusion plant, promising a future where clean energy is not just an aspiration, but a reality. It's an audacious dream, but one that could redefine our relationship with energy and the environment. And finally, standing tall at number 1 is the Space Elevator. This isn't just a building, it's a portal to the stars. The idea of a structure reaching out into space, ferrying us beyond the confines of our planet, is awe-inspiring. The space elevator symbolizes the pinnacle of human ambition, a future where the cosmos is within our reach. These megastructures are truly a testament to human imagination and architectural prowess. But what goes into designing these marvels? Let's delve deeper into the design concepts behind these breathtaking structures. Each megastructure is a marvel of innovative thinking, blending architectural prowess with futuristic vision. At the heart of these designs are architectural principles that push the boundaries of what we believe is possible. Imagine skyscrapers piercing the heavens, their design inspired by the strength and grace of nature's giants. The trees, or underwater cities, their blueprints drawn from the intricate networks of coral reefs. Picture floating islands, their design concepts borrowed from the buoyancy and resilience of lily pads. These structures don't just challenge our perception of architecture, they redefine it. They incorporate sustainable practices, harnessing solar, wind, and tidal energy. They prioritize green spaces, integrating them into their designs to promote well-being and biodiversity. These design concepts are the blueprints of our future, shaping the way we live, work, and interact with our environment. We've journeyed through some of the most awe-inspiring megastructures that could define our future. These architectural wonders, from soaring skyscrapers to underwater cities, truly redefine innovation. Each one, a testament to human ingenuity, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. All 10 megastructures offer a glimpse into a future where design meets dreams. Which of these megastructures captivated you the most? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this journey, like, share, and subscribe for more futuristic content.